Because he's free to go if he wants to go.
I'm asking him if I don't give my information right now. I'm not being bad, or I'm not breaking the law. I'm not trying to be fucking...
I have to identify you.
No, you don't.
He had just pulled over for a quick fuel check. A quiet moment on the side of the road, nothing unusual. Suddenly, flashing lights appeared. One patrol car arrived, then another. Officers stepped out, surrounding him with questions. He stayed calm, his kids still sitting in the car, wondering why this was happening.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm alright. Why are you pulling me over? License plate's not on?
What was that?
I said, is it because the license plate's not on?
No.
No? Why are you pulling me over?
Real fast. Trooper Marshall, State Police, conversation is recorded, okay?
Yeah, it shows me.
Alright, okay, that's fine. So the reason why we're stopping and talking is when you exited over here on 47, there was no signal whatsoever. When you exited off of 47, there was a signal, which I appreciate.
I signaled. I always signal. I always signal.
Okay. License, please. I didn't see a signal when you merged onto 47.
That's ridiculous, because there was a signal.
Okay. License,
Do you have
please.
proof of that in a court of law?
License, please.
Am I being...
Yes, you are detained right now for a traffic stop.
I'm not asking for a detainment. I'm asking, am I being accused of a crime?
Violation.
A violation?
Yes.
I don't need to give you my ID if a violation has occurred or suspected.
Okay, sounds good. So here's where we're at with things. You either have to provide me with your name and date of birth and or an identification if you have that. So which route would you like to go?
Okay, I can give you my name. I'm not denying my name, but I don't have to give you my identification.
Okay, so what's your last name?
Well, why do I need to provide that?
You said you could give it. It's a violation.
Yes, I can. I'm
stop.
not saying I will at this moment. I'm trying to understand why you're pulling me over, because I use my turn signal every time.
Okay.
Period.
Okay, I'm telling you.
I'm telling you that you're lying to me.
I'm trying to tell you why. Okay, so please don't make it difficult.
I'm not making it difficult.
This is a violation only. Okay, for the traffic stop itself, you didn't use a signal.
Yes, I did.
When you merged north
You
on the highway.
You weren't
47.
even close enough to see a signal, sir.
Okay. Okay.
How far were you?
That doesn't matter.
Yes, it does matter.
Not.
It does matter.
So please don't make things difficult.
I'm not making things difficult.
What's your last name? What's your last name?
Show me the ordinance where I need to tell you my name right now.
You don't provide me with your name. It's called fail to carry or present.
Nope, not in the state of Oregon. Not in. I can pull it up for you.
Okay.
I can show you.
Okay. You can tell me all you want, but I'm telling you what the law is.
And I'm telling you that I
crime.
use my turn signals, and no, it's not in the state of Oregon. No, it's not. That is incorrect, sir. I am auditing law class right now. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm trying to understand.
You don't have to be here if you don't want to. If you want to leave, you can.
Hey, my name. If you're, am I under duress of being under arrest? That's what I'm trying to understand.
You're not free to go.
Am I being threatened if I don't give you my information that you're going to arrest me?
Go ahead and leave.
Is that correct, sir? Can you please answer that?
I'm waiting for him to leave.
Why does he need to leave?
Because he's free to go if he wants to go.
I'm asking him if I don't give my information right now. I'm not being bad, or I'm not breaking the law. I'm not trying to be fucking.
I have to identify you.
No, you don't. You don't have to. I'm not breaking the law, sir.
That's your right to think that.
I'm asking if I don't give you my identity right now, am I going to be under arrest?
You're detained. So you'd be detained for.
Why can't you answer my question?
That's it. That's the answer.
If I don't give you my information, who I am right now, I will be under arrest.
You're detained right now for a violation.
That's not what I'm asking.
That's exactly the answer to your question.
No.
If you don't provide me the information that you need, then
that
here's
you
the
need?
issue. Yeah, your name and date of birth.
No, you said you need.
Yes, your name and date of birth. So
Why do you
properly identify you?
Why do you need to properly identify me?
Because this is a traffic stop. Do you live here? Do you know him?
I'm dropping somebody off.
Okay, so you can go whenever you want, sir.
Well, I'm just trying to understand the law. Why you're being so insistent that I'm doing something wrong by not giving my information, by trying to just drop somebody off. Now, I'm not refusing. I'm not refusing. I'm trying to understand things. That's all. I'm not trying to be a dick, not trying to cause a problem. I'm just trying to better understand my rights so I don't lose them. My name is John.
1411 from 35. I'm east of 47.
I mean, this is ridiculous like this.
Property over here where you talked about before.
I mean, look at your demeanor, sir. You're acting like I'm doing something wrong.
This is a violation stop that's going to turn into a crime if you can't provide your information.
And I'm trying to
carry proof of financial fail to carry your license.
I have my license. I have all that.
All you gotta do is provide it.
Why?
Because this is a violation.
This is a violation.
Yes.
But
for not using your signal, and you can say whether or not you used it or didn't.
I did, and I can prove it in a court of law, sir.
That's totally fine.
Cool.
That's totally fine. Okay, I'm telling you what I saw. Okay.
And how far were you when you saw it?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
It does not matter.
It does matter because there has to be a certain amount of reasonable, articulable suspicion that something happened. Can you please back up a little bit? You're making me nervous. Why?
Because you're not identifying yourself.
That is not a crime, sir.
So there's
a violation does not consist.
You can identify yourself. Provide me with your name and date of birth if you don't want to give me your
I'm not
ID.
saying I don't. I'm trying to say
your
that...
last name, your first name, and your date of birth is all you got to give me, okay?
Am I getting a citation?
Okay? That's undetermined right now. I have no idea what your driving status is. I have no idea if you have
valid.
insurance on the vehicle. That's all hearsay until I can see that in my records, okay? I hope that's the case. I really do, all right? But with that being said, I have a job to do. I have to identify you. I have to make sure that your registration's up to date, current.
I'm in the middle of doing all that. That's why I have a trip permit, sir. So you got all the information from the trip permit.
All you're doing is delaying things right now.
I'm not delaying. I'm trying to...
I
what's the word?
appreciate everything you're trying to tell me, but I'm trying to tell you things too, okay?
I understand
that. With that being said, I have a job to do, and if you make it harder...
I'm not making it... I'm making it harder by trying to better...
Absolutely.
What's the word? Trying to better use my rights and understand my rights. That's making it worse.
Yeah, you have the right to remain silent, so if you don't say anything at all, that's fine. But with that being said, I have to identify you before you and I part ways. I would love to get you on your way, but you're stopping that right now.
Can you quote me the ordinance for that?
So ordinance?
That I have to identify myself for you right now in this moment. What ordinance is that?
The law is fail to carry and present
ordinance?
Your identification.
What statute number?
It's a law. It's an order of revised statute.
What is the statute number,
I will
sir?
give that to you in a second, okay? That's not important right now. I'm just telling you.
It is important. Well, you know, my name is John Parker. I do this under duress.
John Parker?
With fear of being arrested or whatever.
John Parker?
Yes.
How old are you?
Why?
How old are you?
35. Why?
Okay. 1835. He's saying he's John Parker, 35 years old. That's all I got so far.
I mean, I don't understand why you're
down by Mattinson
being so aggressive towards me.
Side of the road.
Have I done anything to offend you or show you anything that I'm being aggressive or violent?
I'm just trying to do my job. That's why you're not in handcuffs right now, because you're starting to cooperate with me, and I appreciate that.
I've been nothing but cooperative with you. Nothing but cooperative.
So the wall here is just identifying.
The wall is that this is my rights, that I have the right. My insurance card?
Yes.
It's somewhere in my phone. I would have to find it. And it's on the trip permit. You can get all the information right there on the trip permit. I just got that from DMV.
Okay. Do you have an insurance card with you?
I do not have a card with me. It's somewhere
I'm talking to you. I can't see that right now. I can't see my computer right now to verify insurance, all that stuff. I'm not leaving until I get something from you. Right? You gave me your name. Okay, that's great. Hopefully that's your name. You gave me
Why would I lie about that?
You gave me an age of 35. I don't know. I don't know you. I've never met you until now.
And I don't know you, and you're threatening me with being arrested for trying to enforce my rights. My right to remain private in my person, things, and effects, and that includes my identity. I've given you my name under duress.
Come back to you.
I can look through my phone, but I mean, the policy number's back there on the trip permit, sir.
What's your middle name?
Starts with D.
Dale?
Sure.
7/18 of 87 in birth. Okay, that's who he's saying he is. Can you upload a photo?
I can show you.
He asked for the reason, waited for answers, and stayed steady. Each moment brought more pressure, but he stayed respectful. In the end, his details were given, but his questions remained. For him, it was never just a stop. It became a moment to stand firm and speak with clarity. Here is another case. He had only walked into Walmart with his son just to grab a quick pair of shoes. The parking lot was quiet, the visit simple, until it turned into something bigger. Police showed up fast, speaking of complaints, asking questions, and demanding ID. There was confusion, tension, and a man trying to explain himself while staying calm. Cameras were rolling, voices were raised, but all he wanted was to be left alone with his family.
How you guys doing today?
Not you, man.
I'd rather stay right here. I'm staying.
We've got a complaint.
I'm staying right here.
That's Walmart.
That sounds good. So I'm gonna talk to him.
Okay.
And nobody's going to jail.
Yeah.
There's nothing going on. I'm recording. He's recording. So everything's fine. Nothing's happening.
We're fine. Everything's
I just
good.
want to talk to him.
Yeah.
Then I'll come talk to you, and then we'll go from there. That's all.
Yeah, it's fine.
The reason they called us.
Yeah.
They get a lot of people coming here hollering and screaming. She wasn't sure what's going on.
Sir, I hadn't even made it in Walmart.
You're fine. I'm just trying to explain.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
There's nothing there's no crime committed. Okay. So she called us thinking that you guys are in an argument. Wanted to make sure she's fine and baby's fine. That's fine. That's whatever. Did she cuss at you? Well, that young lady in there.
No, she didn't curse. No.
She said that you start cussing at her.
I never cussed, sir.
And I'm telling you what she said.
Okay.
That's all.
I'm being honest with you.
I'm with you.
She didn't cuss at me. I didn't cuss at her.
All I'm saying is that's what she said. So, Walmart is private property. They want your banned from Walmart. And whatever complaint she may have against her, we'll take that as well. But moving forward, you can't come to Walmart.
Do you understand? This has nothing to do with us.
No.
This is, hold on 1 second. We're not done yet. So we got to be able to identify, I need your driver's license.
No,
so
sir. I have not. Have I committed a crime?
I'm going to bang you from Walmart.
No. If I haven't committed a crime, I will not ID.
You have to ID yourself.
I do not.
Because we're investigating.
That's not
true.
true.
Ask you for ID.
No.
You're going to identify yourself.
I haven't committed a crime, sir.
It's against the ordinances of the city of Gadsden, and it's against the...
Am I being detained?
You're about to be if you don't...
For what?
For not refusing to ID yourself.
I don't have to ID. I have not committed a crime. What's your RDS?
I'm trying to explain to you.
Okay, I'm not going to ID.
Don't hide your hands from me.
You're going to arrest me
Don't hide
under
your hands
threat.
from me. Don't hide your hands
You're going to
from
take me to jail if I don't ID?
I'm not taking you to jail if you ID yourself.
I'm not going to ID, sir. Okay. I haven't broken any laws. Here, Mom. I haven't broken any laws. Look.
Record it all.
Yeah.
Now, all of this is because a woman at Walmart approached us and
What's your
asked
name
him
and badge number, sir? Jay Ramsey. What's your name badge number? Oh,
Sergeant.
Mom.
Sergeant Onlu, 417.
Okay.
Name badge number.
All because we went in Walmart
Adams
and they're harassing us.
Listen,
So,
this is important. Name badge number is the guy behind me. And what crime have I committed today?
you can record. Step back.
What crimes have I committed today?
You refuse to identify yourself when we ask while we're investigating
What
happened
crime?
here.
What was the crime?
When we're investigating what happened here.
What was the crime?
She called us.
Yes, I do. He's my doggone son.
I'm asking you one question. Identify yourself or you're going to get booked in as a John Doe and you won't get released on you.
I haven't committed a crime, and you guys will.
He just run to
Maybe
Walmart
this-
with
It's all
me.
right. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Hold on,
You're
maybe this
welcome to
officer can
stand
help
there. You say, hey man, what's your name? What's going on? And now you don't want to cooperate with said
I
investigation.
told you. Tell me what's going on. Y'all want to handcuff somebody? I am not going to
I
ID.
do wanna
Y'all do what you going to do.
Why?
He don't even have his ID with
Yeah, I'm
him.
not giving it to him.
He just run to Walmart with me to get a pair
Y'all
of shoes.
violating my rights right now.
Code, city ordinance.
I don't care city ordinance. Y'all violating my constitutional rights right
We're
now.
sitting there trying to explain this to you
Then why I'm in cuffs if you're explaining something to me?
because you're violation of our city ordinance.
And what's that?
Okay?
What's that?
Code of the city ordinance is to identify yourself.
No.
Yes. Now you can ignore
What's your
that.
RDS?
You can ignore that all day long.
I'm not going to ID.
Okay. Then you go to John Doe.
Okay.
Do you have any warrants or anything? You have any warrants or anything? Okay. No, that's not an answer. Look at it. That's not an answer.
I don't have to ID. Look,
can
you're
sit there and
violating
show-
my rights.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Look, violating my rights. Hey, they violate my rights, y'all.
He's violating our rights. Just come to Walmart over a doggone pair of shoes and taking him to jail. Here, you look at me. You look at me. Violating his rights. See that?
Violating my rights, y'all.
See that?
I've not done anything.
Look. He hadn't done nothing. Look at him. Look at him. Here, turn around this way. Hey, stop it. Y'all better stop.
Get back.
No, y'all better stop.
Keep recording. Get back.
I am.
Oh, come over here, Mom.
Here,
Mom,
look
come
that
over
way.
here where you can see them.
If you start doing this, you're going to go to jail for...
I ain't going to jail. I have a
You
right.
are-
I can record. I can record. Stop.
Get her off the road, man.
Stop. I've got to
He stood firm, asking for fairness while staying calm. Voices rose, but he kept recording, trying to show the truth of the moment. His child watched confused, while the situation escalated over a misunderstanding. By the end, he was in handcuffs, still asking, still resisting what felt unjust. A simple stop became a moment that demanded to be recorded and remembered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.